What is FileVault?
FileVault is a built-in security feature on Mac computers that encrypts your entire hard drive. This means your data is protected and only accessible after entering your password. If your Mac is lost or stolen, FileVault helps keep your documents, photos, and files safe from unauthorized access.
Why use FileVault?
Encrypting your Mac with FileVault gives you peace of mind and an extra layer of protection. Even if someone removes the hard drive without your login credentials, they can't read your data. This is especially important for people who travel, use laptops in public places, or store sensitive information.
Preparing to turn on FileVault.
Before enabling FileVault, make sure you know your Mac password and that your accounts have administrator privileges. It's a good idea to back up your important data with Time Machine or another backup tool in case anything goes wrong during the setup process.
How to activate FileVault?
Go to System Settings or System Preferences on your Mac. Then choose Privacy and Security or Security and Privacy. Click on FileVault, then tap Turn on FileVault. You'll be asked to choose how to unlock your disk and reset your password if needed, either with your iCloud account or a recovery key.
Managing your recovery key.
When you enable FileVault, you must choose how to restore access if you forget your password. You can use your Apple ID or a recovery key, a unique code generated by your Mac. Store your recovery key in a safe place, as losing both your password and recovery key can make your data inaccessible.
What happens after enabling FileVault?
After activation, your Mac will begin encrypting your drive in the background. This may take a while, depending on how much data you have. You can keep using your Mac normally during this process. Once finished, your files are secured and only accessible with your login credentials or recovery options.